actually all of them. Not one of them, it's all of them. And I'm Zim, just for you to know. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to like and subscribe. And I'm gonna show you how to make them. Let's do the axe first, because axe is for chopping trees. Right now, I'm gonna get black and gray. The point of placing this is because it might get hardened. Because clay can get hardened every time it's exposed to oxygen. So what I do is I place them inside the little container so that they won't get hardened or get hard or become hard. Perfect. Next, we finished the axe. Next thing what we're gonna do is, let me think. Maybe an easier one this time. That kind of took a long time. Maybe an rake. Yeah, a rake. Why not? Can be easy. As to thin, and then fine. Yeah, rake. Just a rake. Now introducing our rake. Ta-da! The next one we're gonna do is the saw. Okay guys, now the next one we're gonna make a saw. So we'll use white or whatever color is this. I don't know, it just came from the package. And red. I'm not really sure if this is fully red. It's red. The third one we finished. The brewing saw. That's the smallest one yet. Ta-da! The next one we're gonna do is a watering can. All right here. Senti, the fourth one. The watering can. Next is the mini shovel. Exactly what I call shovel. For some reason I call it shovel, even if it's actually called mini shovel. And here's it. Let's start. And the last, a shovel. These are the gardening tools. The axe, the rake, the saw, watering can, and the shovel. The shovel lets you dig. The saw lets you cut the branches so that the trees will grow better. The watering can waters your plants. The rake sweeps out the leaves that fall in the ground. And the axe chops wood or chop the trees that you don't like that is maybe bad for your plants. I'm not really sure which you're gonna use the axe for, but I know it's for chopping. And make sure to be safe. I hope you like this video. Bye guys. Okay, make sure to like and subscribe. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Make sure to like and subscribe. And hit the notification